Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Back in my school days, I was always appreciated by my social science teacher for neatly presenting the answer, which many times fetched me good marks in my assignments, homeworks, classworks, and sometimes even in exams. He was one of the reason why I always feel motivated to present my classworks, answer sheets, assignments neatly throughout the school life and also secure a 10 CGPA for this particular subject. So, coming to the video, we will see how to neatly present your handwriting for any exam, and in addition, you can use these tips to write your class notes, assignments, homeworks, etc. First things first, choose your pen wisely. Go for trial and error method. I have opted for black and blue gel ink as I feel my handwriting looks good on them. Then do all these extra works like underlining after completing your answers in the exam. Ideally, 3 to 5 minutes would be enough to do the extra works in the exam. And next, make sure you write all the question numbers correctly in your answer sheets. So let's begin now. Initially, all the roll number, date, title, subtitles can be written in black pen. Followed by that, you can draw a line to underline the titles with pencil. It looks more appealing. Next, section A mostly contains one mark questions or choose the right options. So you can continuously write the answer and draw a end line with pencil after every section. So if it's a choose the best option, you have to write the serial number and the options like A, B, C, D and then answer. For that too, you can consistently write with the same ink and draw the line after completing this section. For section B, probably very short answer type of questions. You can write the answer as it is, or you can also highlight the keywords with black pen, or you can underline the terms with the pencil. After every short answer, leave two lines and go for the next question, as that space can be used to draw two lines to mark the end of the answer. After every section, don't forget to draw the double line. Section C, the 5 mark questions probably. First, write the answer in points until and unless it's mentioned for a paragraph answer. As writing in points would look more presentable and will be easy for teachers to evaluate your answer. Secondly, don't mention your points in numbers, as sometimes the teachers wouldn't be satisfied with the number of points which you have written. Instead, you can put star, dot, dash, etc. Here too, you can highlight the keywords with black ink or underline them with pencil. Do write your answers with examples when needed, or even if it's not asked for, do write your answers with the example. You can write example 1 in black ink followed by example 2, example 3, etc. Sometimes you will be asked to write the difference between topics. Say, for example, difference between plains and plateau. In that case, you can draw a box with three columns, one for serial number, one for the plains and the plateaus, and write your answer. Always draw a line before writing the next point and write examples to finish your answer if required. For diagram related question, first draw the diagram and mark all the parts and then draw the closed box. Use arrow mark a simple line to mark the parts. Mostly use your pencil to highlight the parts. If required, write one or two sentences about the diagram. A very long answer. Firstly, write the topic of the question if mentioned specifically. For example, I have written biosphere, the domain of life, and underline with a pencil. In the same way, you can highlight the topic with black ink and underline with the pencil. Followed by that, write your answers in points. Don't write in numbers or paragraphs, as paragraph answer would be more congested and teachers would find difficult to evaluate it. So make the job easy so that you can get good impression and also some marks. And then highlight the keywords with black pen or underline them with pencil. Use examples to finish your answer. For some question, there will be a need for subtopics, just like write the name of the continents of our world. So, in case if you want to write the continents, the Asia, Europe, Africa are all subtopics. So, in that case, You can use black ink to highlight the subtopic Asia and use hyphen to differentiate the key points. Coming to the conclusion, if you had made any mistake, then just draw one line with pencil to cut it. Don't over highlight the mistake with a dark line. Remember, after every answer, draw a line to mark the ending. Most importantly, do all these extra works only after completing your answers in the exams. Hope you guys found this session useful. Thank you for watching. All the best to you.